Hey guys, in this video I will show you how to convert video to MP4. Alright, so let's begin with the video. You can see I've got this video file I want to convert. This is an MKV file, but this works for any type of video file, whether that's AOV file or whatever kind of file your video file is. Now, in order to do this, we're going to be using a website, and the website we're going to be using is called Cloud Convert. So this is completely free to use. You don't have to pay anything. And the website address is cloudconvert.com. Now what you want to do is come across to here, and then what you want to do is click onto the red Select File button. This is going to open up your File Explorer. So from here, you just want to locate where your video file is. For this example, my video was on my desktop. Once you've done it, just go ahead and click Open. And what that's going to do is get this ready to be converted. So you can see this is an MKV file. All you want to do is where it says Convert to, you want to click onto this box here and select MP4 from the list here. So you can see it's going to be converted to MP4. Once you're happy, just go ahead and click the red Convert button. And what it's going to do is upload your video file and then begin to convert it into an MP4 format. The process is normally pretty quick. It doesn't take too long. Once the conversion is finished, it's going to load up a window like this, showing you the video file. And then all you need to do is come down to the bottom, and you're going to see a download button. So you can go ahead and give that a click. This is going to start downloading it onto your PC, as you can see in the top right-hand corner. As you can see, that's now downloaded, and this is now in an MP4 format. So to find this, just go ahead and come down to your taskbar at the bottom, click onto the search box and type Downloads, and then you should see your Downloads folder. Just go ahead, open up your Downloads folder, and once you've done that, as you can see, this is our MP4 file here, which is of course converted from our video file, our MKV file. And that's it. So that is how you can convert video to MP4. So that's all for this video. Thanks.